City girls gotta move it. I got city girls singing with a grooving. 如果我们心相信 well, then let's do it the flow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are also good? Yeah, me also fine. So I'm today gonna do this pink Korean makeup. So let's get started this video.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so.
I am first apply this moisturizer. अब इसे blend करो. Now I'm gonna covering in my pigmentation spot for foundation stick. What? Why do I look like the white ghost?
Huh?
Apply foundation. You know what's the crazy part about Korean girls makeup? Because I like to do makeup like her. I hate this blending. Blend. What? Finish it quickly. This is a concealer, hide my dark spot for my eyes. This is a fixing powder. I like this Korean makeup. I love it. Let's contour nose. लो हो गया कबाड़ा. Now I'm gonna move in white eyeshadow. And second apply pink eyeshadow. Comment for next part.